Hello friends, it is a Wednesday night and I'm currently getting ready to pack up everything for my 9-day trip to Southeast Asia. We are flying into Singapore tomorrow morning, gonna be there for 24 hours, and then we're going to Bangkok, Thailand, and then Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. I pretty much for the most part put in everything that I'm gonna pack, but before I start organizing it and really get it finalized here, I'm going to show you what I'm packing. For this trip, I'm actually going to be bringing my carry-on with wheels. It's like a hard case, and I'm choosing to bring this instead of my carry-on backpack because I know I'll be doing some shopping. Not only am I going to buy some clothes probably, but I'm also going to bring back some snacks and some souvenirs and just gifts for family and friends. So I know that I will be doing some shopping, and I want to make sure that there's extra room in the suitcase for me to bring things back. I'm actually even bringing a packable backpack so that I can have that on the plane to fill it with more souvenirs and gifts when I come back. Alright, so I strategically planned my outfits for this trip, and the way that I planned it was I wanted to bring as many versatile items as possible. So I brought 4 bottoms, and each bottom I can wear at least twice. I also chose to bring thinner tops because it's gonna be so hot and humid in Asia. And if you've ever been to Asia, you know that the humidity there is cruel. It is gruesome. So in terms of clothing, I'm really just gonna bring this one big packing cube down here. It's gonna fit all of my underwear, my socks, my pajamas, and I only brought 2 sets of pajamas that are pretty thin to pack. I'm just gonna go ahead and start off with bottoms. So I am bringing this Muji linen pant. It is very breathable, comfortable. It's a nice neutral color, and I am going to just pair this with some of my tank tops. I know I just said that it's really hot and humid, but I feel like you can get away with pants as long as they're linen or cotton or breathable, and this one definitely is. The next bottom that I brought is this super cute green skirt by Girlfriend Collective. They're a sustainable brand, and love that it's a skirt. I'm gonna pair this with a blue top that I'll show you later, but I just like that I can be very comfortable when I'm going around the cities. Next is this black denim Bermuda short that I've worn so many times when I travel. It's just really comfortable. It's a little bit big, so I usually have to put a belt around it, but it's just the perfect length. You don't have to worry about it riding up, and it's very, very versatile as well. I think black Bermuda shorts you can even get away with wearing in the evening. And then the last bottom is one that I just recently bought from Uniqlo. It is these kind of straight, wide-legged, olive green linen pants. They are high-waisted, they're breathable, and I'm gonna wear them during the daytime or maybe even during the evening. I'm gonna go to cocktail bars and stuff like that. So these are the 4 bottoms that I'm pretty much bringing. Each one I can wear more than twice when I'm there, and all very comfortable and are gonna go well with the tops, which I'm about to show you next. All right, so in terms of tops, again, all of them are pretty thin, and it's gonna be so hot that I don't wanna wear too much material anyways. The first one is this new one shoulder top that I got. It's by the brand Rails, which I also believe is a sustainable brand. I think it's really cute. It's kind of this gradient striped color, and it is really easy to wear, but it also is kind of dressy at the same time, which is why I really like it. Next thing I'm bringing is this white Uniqlo tank. It's cropped, it's ribbed, it's really easy to wear. The next one I got here is a new top, and it's this blue tank top. It's kind of slinky, fits tight around the body, but what I love about it are these ties. It just kind of makes the top a little bit more fun, gives it a little bit more character. Next up is this blue shrunken tee that I got from Urban Outfitters. This I'm gonna pair with the green skirt and kind of give it like a sporty vibe, I guess. I like how I'm gonna color block this with the green skirt, but I think that this one's really cute and comfortable and cropped. The next thing that I'm bringing is this black tube top. Really simple and easy. I'm going to go ahead and pair this tube top underneath this black linen short sleeve top that I just got from Uniqlo as well. It is really breathable. I can also double this as a swim cover up in the future, and I feel like as I shop more now that I'm in my 30s, I'm trying to find things that are just more versatile and that I can wear in many different ways, and this one definitely is. Next is this fun orange tank top from The Drop. It's a fashion line by Amazon. It's ribbed. I don't know if I have to wear a bra with it because it's pretty thick, but I think that this is going to be a really fun pop of color and really easy to wear and just non-fussy. Okay, coming up are some black tops. I didn't know I loved black this much. I have 3 black tops. They're all a little bit similar. This one is a halter stretchy black top from ASOS. I love it. It just kind of goes around your neck, just like a halter top, and it's just really easy to wear. This next one is very similar. Like I said, it's a 1 shoulder black tank. And again, I love that it packs so tightly, look. Yeah. And then lastly, it is this backless. It's gonna be really hard to show on here. It's gonna look like a shapeless material, but it's basically a cap sleeve black top that's backless with the string on the back. And this is gonna be so nice to wear when it's like really hot and you wanna look cute, but you also wanna wear as little material as possible without wearing a bikini when you're out. Lastly, I am bringing a dress because all of these outfits here are gonna make about, I think, 8 outfits, 8 to 9, and I'm gonna be there for a total of 9 days, so I kind of want a little bit more versatility. Oftentimes, I like to bring 1 extra outfit just in case I'm not feeling one of the outfits that I bring for some reason. I can have another option. So this one is a really cute red floral tie-back dress, and it's really sweet and easy to wear. It's not too short, and it's gonna be really comfortable. In terms of undergarments, if you guys even want to hear about that, I like to wear bralettes, so I'm bringing these 2 bralettes that I got from Target, and then I'm also going to be wearing 1 on me on the flight. A lot of my clothes here, I probably will be wearing these stickies, like these boob stickies. So I've got these, which are kind of like a petal shaped sticker that you put on your boobs. And then this one is a kind of like a cover. It's a silicone cover. I'm going to bring both of these because some of my tops are backless, and I think that it's gonna work really well with these. And these are tried and true. They've always worked for me, so I'm gonna bring that. For shoes, I'm only bringing 2. One of them is going to be my new Doc Marten black thick sandals. I haven't worn them out yet, so I'm a little bit nervous that they're gonna hurt my feet, but I don't think so, because even when I tried them on at home, they're really comfortable, and I think it's gonna go with all of the outfits that I have. And then the other pair of shoes that I'm gonna bring are just some sneakers, because I don't want to just have a sandal and rely on that in case I do some kind of activity that requires a little bit more protection around the feet. So the sneakers that I'm gonna bring are these Adidas Superstars. Wear them pretty often and they're comfortable. So those are the only 2 pairs of shoes that I'm gonna wear. And as always, when I travel, I like to wear the heaviest shoes on me on the plane so that it doesn't weigh down my luggage. So I'm gonna wear the sandals because the sandals are really sturdy. They are Doc Martens, so they're almost like military proof. So I'm gonna put these in my luggage. And I don't know about you guys, but I don't like to be completely shoeless when I'm in hotels and Airbnbs. I like to wear some kind of like a house slipper. So I usually bring some black flip-flops with me, and these are it. I've got my underwear here, and then I am going to be bringing 3 pairs of socks because I already will be wearing my sandals most of the time. I've also got 1 belt here. And then for bags, I'm gonna have my black personal bag. That's the sling bag on me that I'll show in a bit. But I'm also gonna bring this Uniqlo kind of half moon bag just for a little bit more variety in color. And this one's really thin and packed really flat. Something that I just forgot to bring here that I just realized is I'm gonna bring a swimsuit because in Malaysia, we have a nice infinity pool in our Airbnb. It's kind of part of like a high-rise condo. So I'm gonna bring my swimsuit and put that in here after this video so I don't forget. Let me just get this all off of me. I can organize this later. On to jewelry. One of my favorite ways to jazz up an outfit without packing so many outfits, because I feel like jewelry can really transform a look. I put all my jewelry in this pouch here. So just to go through them really quickly, I'll go through earrings first. I am bringing these silver hoops. They are sterling silver and really light. Next up, I am bringing my hoopies. So these are my favorite gold mid-sized hoops. Really light and easy to wear. And then next ones are these almost 6-year-old silver hoops from Bimba y Lola. It's a Spanish brand. I love these so much. They're really, really good quality, and they've lasted me for 6 years, which is insane. Next are some vintage earrings that I just got recently. So the first one are these really fun, kind of like yellow caramel resin earrings. They're kind of a thicker, chunky hoop. And I like that it's neutral, but it's also really fun. And then these other ones are these green, also like acrylic, almost marbling type of earrings. And they just add a really fun, kind of like a pop of color to your outfits. And then I just have two other little pouches. This one houses tiny little gold earrings, and then this one houses my rings. And then since I have this here, I do have my foldable or inflatable neck pillow. I'm not gonna need this going there because we're gonna be on a pretty comfortable flight, but in between the countries that I'm visiting and then also on the flight back to New York City, I am going to need this, and I love this thing. Moving on to some last bits and bobs here. I'm gonna go ahead and walk you through pouches. I love putting everything in pouches, but this is gonna be the bag that I'm going to carry with me on the plane. It's gonna be my personal item. This one is my tech bag, which I think I'll go over first. So my tech bag is exactly what it sounds like. It's where I keep all of my cords, my chargers, my camera accessories. This is my wind muffler for my camera. This is where I keep my GoPro, ding, which I believe I need to charge. So I'm gonna put that to the side here. Okay, this is going to be such a freaking must for Asia, but I am bringing my USB powered mini fan because I will not survive without this. I already know it. I heat up really easily. Gonna bring my handy dandy travel adapter because I'm going to Asia, so I'm gonna need this to charge things. Got some converting things. I don't even know what these are called. I think SD card adapters, because I will be doing some editing on the plane, so I want to be able to upload footage. So these two are that. Got a bunch of extra camera batteries in case I vlog too much and I deplete all my batteries. I've got like 5 in here. This is my charger for my camera batteries. And then what's in here is my external charger, aka a power bank. The only thing I need to put back in here is my phone charger, but I will be using that tonight, so I'm not going to put that in here just yet. Coming up next here is my toiletry bag, and I've pretty much always been putting my skincare and my makeup together just because I like to conserve space. So first things first, I've got my contact lenses. I brought 12 of them, and these are dailies. Got my razor because pretty much almost every top that I'm bringing is sleeveless. Got my hair conditioner. This one is a mask. My hair is bleached, so this is a must. My travel shampoo. The rest I've got here are pretty basic things like my toothbrush, my hairbrush here, and my skincare. So I've got my serum, my little toner, and I always try to put things in little pots. So this one is my toner. And then I've also got a little mini travel lotion here. I've also got my face wash here. This is my makeup remover. And then something I'll definitely need to apply is my sunscreen. I've also got my eye drops because if I'm out all day, I'll probably need these to kind of hydrate my eyes because I do have naturally dry eyes. And then some other things in here would just be my makeup. So in terms of makeup, I use my new favorite foundation, which is a tinted sunscreen by Tower 28. I freaking love this. It gives me the perfect amount of coverage, but it's also really light. I've got my NYX eyeshadow palette, in which I only use 3 colors, but I can't live without these 3 colors. I've also got my Essence blush, which is a very nice neutral pink color. I've got my NYX eyeshadow primer to keep my eyeshadow long lasting, and then I've also got my CoverGirl mascara. Some other quick things in my toiletry, I've got a travel rollerball perfume, which is pretty much almost gone, so I also have this tiny little one that I got for my Sephora Beauty Insider gift that I'll be bringing. Then I've got Poopery, which I always bring with me, this little travel size one. So that's that for my toiletry bag. Lastly, this is what I will be bringing with me on the plane. So first things first, I got a jumbo hair clip here. I'm bringing this one and another pink one because it's gonna be so hot. I don't foresee my hair being down. I do want to definitely keep it up during the whole time. So I've got this big clip here to keep my hair up. Okay, I got these specifically for this trip. I got sweat hankies. This came in a pack of 5 on Amazon, and I know I'm gonna be needing this because I sweat profusely. So I got these hankies. They're kind of like the perfect size. And I got 5. Hopefully that's enough. I don't think I'll really get a chance to wash anything when I'm there. I've got my whole life here, aka my passport, my identity. I've got my little pharmacy, aka all of my medication and spare contacts. I've got my wallet here. I've got wet ones, which are so important because I will be eating a lot of street food, and sometimes if you want to get the icky food or the sauces off of your fingers, napkins simply won't do, and you just need some wet ones. A few of my other essentials, I've got some lip balm, I've got some hand cream here, I've got these lubricating re-wetting drops because I wear contacts, and then I've also got this surfer salve in case I get any bug bites or just need this if I have any sort of wound on my body. And then I've got my super reliable packable shopping / grocery bag. This comes in so handy wherever I am because you just never know when you need a bag. I've got my laptop charger because I will be bringing my laptop to edit on. Got some pocket tissue, very important. Got my hand sanitizer. Got my AirPods tied to go because I am quite clumsy and spill everything everywhere. And then lastly, my foldable water bottle, which I've talked about before. It is so packable and small. I can use this at the airport. I can use this when I'm walking around the city, when I'm traveling, because usually I just like to get a big gallon and bring it back to the hotel or Airbnb and just put it in here. That is all that I'm bringing. Now I'm gonna pack everything up. All right, here's the final product. So I've got all of my clothes here on the left. I've got my silicone makeup brush case. I've got my belt, my jewelries, and my house slippers, aka my black flip-flops. I'm gonna put that over there and buckle it up. This is my dirty clothes bag that I like to bring for clothes that are really stinky and that I don't want to mix with my clean clothes. There I've got my probiotic pills, and then look at the room I still have here, which I'm really excited about because I will be shopping, like I said. This is my toiletry bag with my makeup in there as well, my travel pillow, my tech bag, and then these are my other sneakers that I'm bringing. But yep, that is it. I am done packing now. This is everything. And then of course I've got my personal bag here and then my laptop. So that is it. As you can see, I like to be generally a pretty light packer, but a pretty efficient packer. So I always plan everything before I pack it. I'm super tired now. I had a really long day at work. So I am going to just clean up the house and then go to bed because my flight tomorrow leaves at 10 a.m. and I'm so excited. Thank you all for watching. I will see you when I am on the plane. Bye.